Guess what, cuz? Bro, you like, I just clicked on the video. What, nigga? Hey, you, sit your ass in the back, but all my ups was happening with it, G. Tap in, boom, man. I'm gonna let you know, BigOmega and Zeus, if you fuck with me, gotta go back down tripping lane. And yeah, that season, I'm telling you, it's right around the corner. September through fall, but Mr. Graveyard, you talking about? Yeah, G. Talking about Bones. I don't know if y'all tapped in with that Weather album. This shit right here, Iridescent armor. This shit bang, bro. It's smooth. It's one of those, it's like, yeah, hold up. I gotta turn this up some more. I ain't going too fast, but you can hear me when that window's cracked just a little bit. Down that lane. You know, mamas, ride with me. Link in the description, all that gonna be low. Hey, Team Sesh, Gray or Bones. Iridescent armor. What color you sitting on? That's like some cathedral type, past Art Deco. We looking at the gargoyles and shit, like, and it's raining and shit, bro. Yeah, we over there in that type of little area or whatnot. But what could I say? Day turn to night, pain turn to spite, smoking in the garden, watching rain turn to ice. Hey, Bones, that shit throw, G.
But I took a window and I rode away. But in the same road today, couple life away. He thinking he catching me slipping, but I'm out the blame. I'm doing the game and been missing, so I'm on my pain.
I'm telling you, G, what the game been missing, bro. If you tap in the Cuz catalog, and I ain't even tapped into all of it, bro. I be wondering why Cuz don't be at these Rolling Louds, these Coachellas, and like events like that, bro. Cause Cuz got music. Yeah. If I see Xavier Wolf do it, like, what the fuck? Why Bones ain't up there? Well, let me know, Jay. You still be playing that Bones, you be bumping. No, this shit on the list. I'm talking about that play. Run it.
Buzzing like a BigOmega. Coming down, it's the skinny white kid. Rain bigger for the rip. Lights off, get the spin. It's a heaven for a dead boy, cause that's my only bitch, boy. Day turn to night, pain turn to spice. Smoking in the garden, watching rain turn to ice.
Bro, this shit though, they had a whole little, he was Bones for a minute. Then Cuz turned the Graveyard on your ass, bro, it was over. It was over. Then he came back with the switchblade. Day turned to night, pain turned to spite, smoking in the garden, watching rain turn to ice. Nigga, that shit though, bro.
Pain turn to night, pain turn to spice, smoking in the garden, watching rain turn to ice.
If we ever get into it, I ain't gonna be in my feelings. Nah, I ain't. You like, bro, what you talking about? Listen to what Cuz is talking about, G. Just pay attention. I know it's banging. I know it's that little energy. Tripping lane, bro. Hold the fuck up. Yeah, matter of fact. Yeah, there we go. Run it, bro.
Back 6 feet below, ready to land. If we ever get into it, I won't be all in my feelings.
Bro, did you hear how the beat was just beating it up for that cool little second? I'm telling you, play this shit around 9 o'clock or some shit, bro. At night. Just cruise. I ain't talking about do that. Nah, I ain't talking about that, bro. You know exactly. Nah. Cruise with way music. Go down that lane talking about tripping. Bones, running.
If we ever get into it, and I'm back 6 feet below where we leave them at.
At the cathedral. Down by that wayway. It was triple name season. Bones. Bro, that shit bang, G. The Withered album. I'm telling you, that shit right there, Propellers, and some more Cabin in the Woods. I like that shit, bro. This shit bang. Well, on mamas, let me know if y'all still tapped in. Run that bag with me. Link in the description, all that. Team Sesh, bro, she got another one. Keep banging that shit. Stay tuned to what else y'all listening to. Let me know. Drop it in the comments below. Long way. Only way. You already know. The right way. Run that bag with me. Believe that shit.